day to all the dear students. Chapter number 17, circle. I have already explained you what is circumference of the circle and what is the formula of it. And continuing in this part with our exercise 17a, circumference based questions of circle. Okay students, question number 11, exercise 17a. In this question, first part, the inner circumference of a circular track is 440 meter. So, you are given this type of circular track. So, the first line you are given inner circumference, means this part, inner circumference is given. So, I write CI, C for circumference, I for inner, 440 meter. This is given in the question. The track is 14 meter wide. It means this part, this is 14 meter in width. Now, find the diameter of the outer circle of the track. We want to find diameter. This is outer diameter. This we want to find out. So, what we want to find out? Outer diameter, DO. So, first of all, let us find the inner radius. We don't know the inner radius. So, using our circumference, inner circumference 440. So, 2 pi Ri, inner I, is equal to 440. 2 as it is 22 by 7, pi value, and Ri is equal to 440, this way. So, now Ri value I want to find out. So, that 440, 7 upside and 22 twos are 44 downside. So, 44 times are, therefore, radius, inner radius is found as 70 centimeter, meters, because Ci is given as meters. Now, let us take our outer radius. You see that inner radius is found. So, now I can find outer radius and then outer diameter also. Right. So, how do we find RO, outer radius? That is inner radius 70 plus this width of the track, that is 14 meter. So, adding this 14 here, we get 84 meters, that is outer radius. But the question is find the outer diameter. So, diameter is double of radius, 2 into 84. So, we get answer as 168 meters, that is our outer diameter. Question number 11, first part completed here. Now, second part of your question number 11, the inner edge of a circular running track is 440 meter long, as we are given in the first one. If the track is 10 meter wide, okay, so width of the track is different here. So, I am solving here, second one. So, this is the second part of question number 11, in which we are given inner circumference is 440 meter and another is track, width of track is given 10 meter here. So, find the length of the outer edge of the track. It means we want to find outer circumference. So, first of all, we take our Ci, that is already found in the first part only. So, I write directly now that inner radius will be 70 meters. Students, in the first part whatever we have solved, using it I have written here radius, inner radius of the circular path is 70 meter. You do not need to find it out again. Now, the width is known to you. This is the width of the track here. So, radius, outer radius will be 70 plus 10, 80 meter. And now we will find the outer length of that path. So, that is outer circumference, 2 pi outer radius. So, by calculation, 2 into 22 by 7 into 80, we get our answer. That answer will be in point. So, let us solve it in point. So, by calculation, we get answer as 502 22.86 meters. So this is the length of the outer track of the circular path, which is 502.86 meter. So this way students, question number 11 is completed. In question number 11, first part, using the inner circumference, first of all found that inner radius and then found outer radius and then outer diameter. And next also same type of question. So first of all Ri we found already, and then we get radius outer, and then we found the outer circumference. Exercise 17a, question number 12. A garden roller has a circumference of 3 meter. So here roller circumference is given 3 meters. How many revolutions does it make in moving a distance? So distance d is given to you 21 meters. So we want to find here number of revolutions. So number of revolutions already explained to you that the formula is distance covered divided by the circumference of the roller or the wheel, whatever given in the question, circumference. So accordingly we substitute the values 21 divided by 3. So we get here number of revolutions as 7 revolutions. Now taking question number 13. So the question number 13 here is a bicycle wheel which is in a circular shape. Diameter 70 centimeters. So this is diameter given to us 70 centimeters. Using this we can find out circumference of the wheel is making 25 revolutions. So number of revolutions also given to us. Number of revolutions here is equal to 10. So now 25 in 10 seconds. This is 25 in 10 seconds. At what speed in किलोमीटर पर आवर is the bicycle traveling? So मान लीजिए ये एक व्हील है, राइट, जिसका डायमीटर हमको दिया है 70 सेंटीमीटर्स का. तो अब पहले तो उसका सर्कमफरेंस फाइंड करना पड़ेगा हमको, उसके बाद उसका revolutions we all know, so we can find the distance also, and then accordingly we find the speed also. So first of all I change this centimeter to kilometer. That will be more convenient, or either we'll take it last because this is also given in seconds, 10 seconds, right? So now I write here circumference, that is C. 2 pi r naught, we write pi b. So pi value we are not given specific, so I use 22 by 7 and d is 70. So 7 tens are, this is 220 centimeters. This is the circumference we found. So students, after finding this circumference from the diameter, that is 220 centimeters. First of all, we are finding our answer in centimeters only. Now, number of revolutions formula is distance upon circumference. Using it, I substitute the value. We are given 25 revolutions. Distance we don't know, we want to find out, and circumference we have already found, that is 220. So I kept it here. Now from this values I get distance value. Distance is equal to 25 multiplied 220. It means 5500 centimeters. This is the value of distance in centimeters. And time already given in the question, that 10 seconds they take 25 revolutions. It means that is the time given to us. And the question is, you want to find the speed, that how much speed that will revolve to cover the distance. So here speed formula is distance upon time. So distance upon time, distance is found already 5500 centimeters and time is 10 seconds. So cut 0 0. So I get 550 centimeter per second. But you are asked in the question to get your answer in kilometer per hour. For that 550 then multiplying 3600. Why? Because 1 hour, that is 60 minutes and 1 minute 60 seconds. So 60 multiplied into kilometer. For that 1 kilometer 1000 meter and 1 meter 100 centimeter. So 1 lakh we have to divide here and 3600 we have to multiply. So accordingly 2 zeros get cancelled. Here 110 get cancelled. So 5 multiply 36 we get 1980 divided by 100. So our answer is 19.8 kilometer per hour, which is our final answer to get our speed. This is our speed we found in kilometer per hour. So this is our question number 13. You understand, using number of revolutions, diameter, how we can find the speed of the wheel. Now let us take next question, question number 14 of exercise 17A. In this question, a small cart is being driven at 10 km per hour. So that kilometer per hour is the speed given to us, that is 10 km per hour. Our wheel, here small cart is said, so cart must have wheel and they are moving from speed of 10 km per hour. If each wheel is 91 centimeter in diameter, the diameter is given 91 centimeters. So you can use this diameter to get the circumference. Find the number of revolutions made by each wheel per minute. So in a minute, how many revolutions that cart or the wheel of the cart makes, that we want to find out. So first of all, we have to find the circumference. Circumference is pi multiply d. So here pi value 22 by 7 and d is 91. So that is 13 sevens are 91 and 22 multiply 13, we get our circumference answer. Question number 14. Students, I have already found the circumference, that is pi multiply d. You can see 22 multiply 13 is 286 centimeter and I have converted it in meters. Now I like to convert it into kilometers directly. So dividing it by 1 lakh, I get 0.00286 kilometer. So directly I am converting it into kilometer because we have here our speed in kilometer per hour. So I converted the circumference also into kilometer. Now number of revolutions we want to find out. So the formula is distance divided by circumference. So distance here is 10 per hour. In 1 hour it covers 10 kilometer distance. So 10 divided by the circumference. Circumference also in kilometer 0.00286. Now converting it into fraction, I get here, that is 10 lakh divided by 286. Cut it by 2, both the side upside down. Upside I get 5 lakh and in the denominator 143. But the question is that how many revolutions the wheel of the cart take in or do in this 1 minute. So 1 minute में कितने revolutions होते हैं वो हमको find करने हैं. इसके लिए 60 मिनट मीन्स 1 आवर, तो 1 आवर मीन्स 60 मिनट में इतने रिवॉल्यूशंस, तो 1 मिनट में कितने रिवॉल्यूशंस. सो हियर 60 मिनट एंड दीज आर द रिवॉल्यूशंस हियर वी हैव रिटन. सो नाउ आई टेक दिस 5 lakh divided by 143 and this 60 also in denominator. 0 get cancelled, dividing by 2 again. So here 25,000 and here 3. Now 143 multiply 3 is 429 and this is 25,000. So now students, this is the number of revolutions we get as our answer in 1 minute. If you want to convert it into mixed fraction, you can also convert to get our complete answer. Now question number 15. How long will a boy take to go 4 times around a circular field whose radius is 35 meter? So here we are given circular field radius 35 meter and walking at 5 km per hour, means this is the speed given 5 km per hour. The boy walks in a 1 hour 5 km distance. Okay, so now how long will a boy take to go 4 times around the circular field? We want to find the distance, that this is the circular field and if one round it covers, it means one circumference, but it 4 times it complete the round, it means 4 times the circumference. And we want to calculate how much time does that boy take to complete the 4 rounds. Okay, so first of all I find circumference, that is by using formula 2 pi r, because one full round means one circumference. So here 2 into 22 by 7 and the radius is 35 meter. So 7 5s are, so 5 2s are 10 into 22, that is 220 meters circumference. First we found the circumference, means the distance covered in the one full round. But we want 4 rounds. So I multiply here 4 multiply 220, that is 880 meters. This is the total distance the boy completes. Okay. Now here we want to find the time. So time we will find first by taking formula time equal to distance upon speed. Speed is given in kilometer per hour. So let me convert this also in kilometer by dividing it by 1000. So 880 divided by 1000, that is 0.88 kilometer. So we got now circumference also in kilometer. So distance, that is 5 kilometer distance, or you can say 0.88 kilometer distance, and the speed is given 5. So this way we can calculate our time to get the how long the boy take. So students, here I have completed this question. Now I am explaining you. This is circumference 2 pi r, 10 multiply 22. So I get 220 meters. But 4 times, so I get 880 meters. Now I want this in kilometer because our speed is also in kilometer per hour. So I convert this meters to kilometers by dividing by 1000. So I get 0.88 kilometer. Now to get time, the boy take how much time to complete the 4 times the round the circle. So time is equal to distance upon speed. Distance means 0.88 kilometer and speed is 5 kilometer per hour. So dividing this I get 0.176 hour. But we want to find if our answer in minutes, then multiply it by 60. You can see here 0.176 multiplied by 60. So I get 10.56 minutes. This is the approximate time the boy take to complete 4 rounds of the circular field. Taking question number 16 of exercise 17a. Here a wheel of a cart is making 4 revolutions per second. So number of revolutions given to us in the question. So I am writing number of revolutions is equal to 4 per second. In 1 second 4 revolutions will be there. Now if the diameter of the wheel, diameter is given 84 centimeters. Find its speed. So using the diameter, first of all I will find the circumference. Circumference is pi multiply diameter. So this is 22 by 7 into 84. So 7 12s are, and then multiplying 22 and 12, we get our circumference in centimeters. Now in this question I got my circumference 264 centimeter. So this is the distance covered by the wheel. So now distance is equal to number of revolutions multiply circumference. This is the circumference of the wheel. जो wheel का पूरा पैरीमीटर है वो है 264 सेंटीमीटर का. अब उसका यूज करके हम डिस्टेंस फाइंड करेंगे यूजिंग अवर नंबर ऑफ रिवॉल्यूशंस फॉर्मूला. तो यहाँ मैंने डिस्टेंस डायरेक्टली लिखा है नंबर ऑफ रिवॉल्यूशंस मल्टीप्लिकेशन विथ सर्कमफरेंस. तो दैट इज 4 मल्टीप्लाई 264. तो आई गॉट आंसर 1056 सेंटीमीटर्स. But I have converted it into meters by dividing by 100. So I get 10.56 meter. That is the total distance covered. Now आपको पूछा गया है find speed. So speed is equal to distance upon time. So distance is 10.56 meter and in a 1 second, because it is given in the question that it makes 4 revolutions in 1 second. So time is 1 second. So 10.56 meter by second. But if you want to convert it into kilometer by hour, you have to multiply by 5 by 18. So your answer, that is 38.016 kilometer per hour. This is your final answer you get in question number 16 in kilometer per hour. Or in exam 10.56 meter per second also if you write, then it is completely correct answer. Now taking question number 17. In this question, students, we are given one figure here. So I am drawing figure first. Here this is the circular part and this is the straight part we are given. Another circular part here. So these are the diameters given to us in the question. Now the measurements are also given here that I am writing here. This is 100 meter. This part is 100 meter and the opposite also the same 100 meter. This is FED half circle and the diameter is 70 meter. Here also ABC circumference and its diameter is 70 meters. Now the question is, this part FA is 100 meter and same as DC also 100 meter. Now in question you are asked that how much will an athlete run in taking one complete round of the track. This is the track given. So we have to find the perimeter or the full track distance. How much it takes the distance. So we have to find the whole circumference, you can say. For that, first of all, we find FED and ABC. So that is the full circumference only. So I write C pi multiply D, that is 22 by 7 into 70. So 7 tens are here. So this is 220 meter circumference. Why I am taking full circumference? Because this is the half circle and downside also the half circle. It will make the full circumference. So this is our, this FED plus ABC half circles become full circumference as 220 meter. And now I will add to it FA and DC. So that we get total track distance is equal to 220 plus 100 plus 100 is equal to, that is 420 meters. This is the answer of 17th question we get here. Now this is the question only you are asked in the question number 17. Continuing with question number 18. In this question, a circular field has a perimeter of 660 meter. Perimeter means circumference, 660 meter given to us. A plot in the shape of a square having its vertices on the circumference. So let us draw the figure. The figure will be like this. There is some circle here whose circumference is known to you, and the square plot will be given to you here whose vertices are lying on the circumference of the circle like this. Okay, so let us give the name here ABCD. So this is the diameter of our circle also and diagonal of a square. So this way students, आपको क्वेश्चन में दिया गया है कैलकुलेट द एरिया ऑफ द स्क्वायर प्लॉट. हमें फाइंड करना है एरिया ऑफ द स्क्वायर और पाई वैल्यू 22/7 ऑल्सो गिवन टू यू. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ये जो पैरीमीटर है वो आपका सर्कमफरेंस है. फिर ये जो स्क्वायर शेप है उसके चारों वर्टाइसेस सर्कल के ऊपर है. जो डायगोनल बीडी है वो डायमीटर ऑफ अवर सर्कल है. तो सबसे पहला काम हमको फाइंड करना है ये डायगोनल या फिर डायमीटर फाइंड करने का यूजिंग सर्कमफरेंस. सो सर्कमफरेंस फॉर्मूला इज 2πr and diameter is nothing but 2r. So I write here 660 is equal to 2r into 22/7. So 2r is equal to 660 multiply 7 divided by 22. So that we get here 22 threes are. So to get 7 threes are 21, 210 meter. This is the diameter we found. This is 210 meter. Now let the value of the side of the square AB, AD, all the sides are same in square. We will know that x. We are letting this. So this is x. Here this is also x. So using Pythagoras theorem, because we know that square, all the angles are of 90 degree. So now I am using Pythagoras theorem to get my x value. So here BD square is equal to AB square plus AD square. BD value is 210 whole square is equal to x square plus x square. Therefore, this is 44100 is equal to 2x square. Therefore, x square is equal to 44100 divided by 2. It means here we get 22050. So, we have to find the, now this is nothing but x square. X square is equal to 22050 meters square. Actually, this is our final answer. How? Because you see that we are asked the area of the square, and area of the square formula is side square, and side we have taken as x और उसका square हमें already मिल चुका है यहाँ. So this is our final answer. So I am making a box on it. This is the final answer which is asked in the question, that what is the area of the square plot, and 22,050 meter squares is the answer of our 18th question.